If you're looking for an affordable flashlight for emergencies, camping, hiking, or simply keeping one in your car, this Amazon bestseller might be exactly what you need. Today we're checking out the 2-pack military-grade LED flashlights that claim to deliver up to 3,000 lumens, multiple light modes, zoomable focus, and waterproof construction. And after going through hundreds of customer reviews, there are a few things you should know before buying. First, let's talk about brightness. One of the most common compliments from buyers is just how bright these flashlights are, despite their compact size. Several users mentioned that the beam output feels comparable to much larger flashlights, making them useful for both indoor and outdoor situations. Another feature people really seem to like is the adjustable zoom function. By sliding the head of the flashlight, you can switch from a wide flood beam for illuminating large areas to a focused spotlight for longer distance visibility. That's a feature normally found on more expensive flashlights. Portability is another strong point. These flashlights are small enough to fit in a glove box, backpack, emergency kit, camping gear, or kitchen drawer. Many reviewers specifically mentioned keeping one in the car and one in the house. Build quality also received positive feedback. Several customers described the body as sturdy, durable, and surprisingly solid for the price. Unlike many cheap plastic flashlights, these feature a metal construction that feels more substantial in hand. For outdoor use, the waterproof design makes them suitable for camping, hiking, biking, and emergency situations where weather conditions may not be ideal. Now let's talk about the light modes. You get multiple brightness settings and lighting options, allowing you to adjust the flashlight depending on the situation. Whether you need maximum brightness or a lower output setting to conserve battery life, the flexibility is useful. Speaking of batteries, there is one thing to keep in mind. Batteries are not included. Most users report using AAA batteries, and a few reviewers noted that battery life can drain faster when used extensively, especially in cold weather conditions. Another point worth mentioning is reliability. While the vast majority of reviews are positive, there were isolated reports of one flashlight failing after a short period of use. That's not uncommon in budget electronic products, but it's something potential buyers should be aware of. Overall, customer satisfaction appears very strong. Many buyers purchased additional sets as gifts, emergency backups, or extra flashlights for different rooms and vehicles. If you're looking for a high-end tactical flashlight, this may not be your first choice. But if you want a compact, bright, versatile flashlight at a budget-friendly price, these are definitely worth considering. You can find the product link in the description below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more practical Amazon product reviews on this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.